Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my DevaCurl Supercream review. Okay, if you guys want to know how this is, if y'all want to know how I feel about this product that's in my hair right now, stay tuned. Okay. Some time ago, I can't even remember when, I was asked to review this product again. Um, I can't even remember when I did the first video. I did the first video probably a couple of years ago, and I used this on a twist out. Then I used it again underneath a gel, underneath another DevaCurl product. It was the gel. Actually, I've used this product a few times. I'm not even gonna lie. I've used this product multiple times. And I was asked, like I said, by one of my lovely subscribers if I could use this by itself and in a wash and go. And I bought this. I had to purchase this again because my original bottle was, I had like this much left, I think, in the bottle. So I knew I had to go get a new bottle. So I purchased this actually before I cut my hair, and I was gonna use it before I cut my hair, but the haircut happened. So here I am now using it. So the product that I am skirting around and talking about is the DevaCurl Supercream Coconut Curl Styler. This is I like I said, I've used this product before, but let's talk about application and all of that fun filled stuff like I always do. I actually washed my hair with DevaCurl products with the what did I use? The Decadence line. That's what I used. And I did a whole video on this whole line, and you're going to see it all above in the cards and linked below. So you guys can take a look at that video on how I felt about those products originally. And I want to say I did that video a couple of years ago. I cannot remember. I just, like I said, I just looked and I don't remember how long ago it was. But on a twist out, it was great. I loved it on a twist out. But back then, I didn't realize that my hair I can use creams with my hair. Long as my hair is moisturized, I can use anything on my hair. And it took me a lot of time to get to that point. So here I am now using the super cream. And like I said, I went ahead and I washed and conditioned my hair with the DevaCurl Decadence line. With the conditioner, I mixed in my red conditioner that I use from Aveda. If you guys want to hear me, if you guys want me to talk about that product, talk to me below and I will. Actually, I can probably do a little tutorial showing you what I do and how I use the product and everything. Talk to me below and let me know if you guys want to know about the red conditioner that I use. You probably can't see that my hair is red. It's a reddish brown, so it's not overly noticeable. You see it when the light hits it, you really see the red. Or if I just probably do this, you might be able to see it. I don't think so. Oh well, life goes on. Anyway, I wash and condition my hair with the Decadence line. I did my deep conditioning with the Shea Moisture low porosity. Is it the low porosity or high porosity? It's one of those porosities. Deep conditioner is the one that I always use. One of my bays. And then what I did next was I put in my sweet almond oil. I still do the lock method. I did the sweet almond oil for leave-in conditioner. I used the Alake Naturals lemongrass leave-in, which plays well with everybody basically. And after that, then I went ahead and I applied the Super Cream Styler. And this is a 5.1 fluid ounce or 150 milliliter bottle, as you guys see here in the picture. Here's the funny thing. And when I originally used this on a twist out, it was great on a twist out. But as I use it on a wash and go, it's okay. Here's why. I notice with my hair this short, I have to trained my mind to realize that I'm not going to get perfect curl definition with the cream that I would with like I would with a gel. So I have to train my brain that this is a cream, not a gel. So because your hair does look different with the gel than it does with the cream. When my hair was longer, my hair pretty much looked the same. But now my hair is shorter. It's like a whole different ball game basically. So this product is a good product. I do get very good curl definition with it. The biggest issue that I have with the product is that my hair looks dull. It does not bring in any shine. But I will say this, I don't think shine is one of the things that one of the claims it has. Let's see, I'm looking to see. Let's see, everything this rich coconut oil infused styler gives you. Total freedom to express yourself with your curls, whether you want to smooth, soften, shape, lengthen, moisturize, define, control, boost, volume, twist out, tame frizz, add shine, or switch up your look. Super Cream does it all. Okay, it does say add shine. I didn't see the shine portion of it. That was the thing that I didn't see. When my hair was in a twist out, I don't think I saw a lot of shine with that either. But I think then I didn't really care because the twist out was so great. I could kind of just skirt past the shine situation. Okay. Like I said, the biggest issue that I had with this is that I didn't get that shine that I wanted. And when you read product claims, that's one of those things. You want what the product claims to do. That was the only issue I had with this product. My hair is not as soft as I would like it to be. Also, I have a thing about my hair being pillow soft. I love my hair being very, very soft. But unfortunately, it is not as soft as I like it to be. But it is defined. My hair is very defined. I will post pictures if I have any. I don't remember if I took any pictures this week, which is really bad. Actually, did I take some pictures this week? I don't remember. But I will post pictures if I can. But like I said, my biggest issue was the fact that I did not get the shine that I truly wanted. But I don't hate the product. That's the thing. I'm just going to sit back and tell you, I don't hate the product. I don't hate the product at all. I think it's a good product. Will I use it again? Here, and we just gonna jump straight to the question. Am I gonna use it again? Yep, I will. I will use it again. It is the easiest product to apply. DevaCurl, one of the things I will say I like about DevaCurl, despite the couple of misses I've had with deep conditioners, and I think one of the gels made me break out. One of the things I could truly say about DevaCurl is that the products are very easy. It's easy to shampoo, easy to condition, and this is a one product. You don't need another product to layer with this. I put a leave-in conditioner in because I like to get that extra moisture, but I didn't put a lot of the allocate in because I wanted this to do the job it needed to do. And it did the job of the curl definition portion of the show. It did that. And that I'm fine with, to be honest with you. Like I said, I will use this again. I'm not even going to sit back and tell you I'm not going to use it again, because there are going to be plenty of times I just want to slap something in my hair and get out the door, or I'm not doing a video for that week or something, and I just need to put something in my hair. This is a really good product to use. I'm not even going to sit back and say, oh, I don't like it. No, I like this product. I liked it the first time. I like it this time. Like I said, it just didn't give me the shine. But, it's whatever on that. And that is it for this video. I know I kind of rambled a little bit, but of course, it is what it is. If you guys have any questions about the DevaCurl Coconut Styler Super Cream, talk to me below. All the info on this product will be below. You will links to the original all of my DevaCurl videos actually I'm gonna have below. I'm just gonna put all the DevaCurl videos that I've done and put them all, link them all below. They were all in the cards also throughout the video. And that is it. I actually have 2 more videos to shoot today. And I am super de-duper tired, and it's almost 6 o'clock. It's a Friday night, and I'm tired. I just want to go sleep. So I'm going to get out of here. If you guys have any questions, talk to me below. All my social medias were at the front. Videos over here. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye. Oh, wait.